the protest all over the country.
No. This is not the party is protesting against the central government. We are sharing the sentiments of the student community of India. We are for safety of students. Therefore, here you have to understand, we are all for conducting an examination in a safer background. Now, what is the concern of the NSUI? What is the concern of students community of India? Because of, you know that especially in North Indian rural area, they have to reach the center, they have to travel, if they want to reach the center, they have to travel 500 kilometers, 600 kilometers or 300 kilometers. Whether the government ensure the accessibility, whether the government ensure the safety. You see, today, how much is the case, COVID case? 76 lakhs in our country. 76 lakhs in our country. Every day, thousands of.
Sir, repeat करना पड़ेगा. 76 lakh. So what's the protest and what's the objection all about regarding the NEET and JEE exam?
This is actually we are addressing the genuine concern of student community of India, because they are mentally distressed. They are in a very worrisome period, and the main concern is the increasing nature of COVID-19 cases. Day by day, more than 75,000 cases are increasing. It is spreading like anything. And where is the safety of the students? Without safety ensuring, how can the student will get a mental peace to write an examination? Therefore, government has to consider these factors before finalizing the date. Not only we people, the government supported, state government also requested the central government to postpone this. I think Tamil Nadu has requested, Orissa had requested. But this government is shut their eyes and ears to the genuine concern and causes. That is what here also happening. Your government, a responsible government should hear the voice of the students at least. So they have a duty to hear the students. They have a duty to hear the parents. Without considering any parameters, they are bulldozing this examination to the students. Is not at all a good idea. We are for examination. We know the concern of the students that they didn't want to lose an year. Certainly, government can fix a date, convenient date, after 1 or 2 months, with taking all the safety measures. At least they can give centers in each district. If they are giving each center as a each district has a center, then load will be decreased. The government is, on one hand, they are telling we are taking in their measure. We saw the experiment of JEE examination, preliminary examination. What happened in that examination? They told everything is safeguarded. But that examination also, no safety measures had been taken. This is a great area of concern for everybody. That is why we, Congress party and other opposition, are moving to the Supreme Court also for a relief.
Sir, opposition parties also, Sonia Gandhi, Mrs. Gandhi also convened a meeting with the 7 chief ministers of the states. So should we expect that more protests and more action will be taken in regard to this by the opposition parties?
Actually, what we are thinking that we should put pressure on the government of India, because they are people who are taking decisions. Now it is evident. We are doing an online campaign also today. You can see how much traction is there for that online campaign. Huge traction. I don't think it is not only for Congress people or Congress students, Congress supported students. Everybody is now joining in this campaign. That means the sentiments of the country is like that. Government has to understand the sentiments of the country. They have to act. We will continue to put pressure on government.
So, one one important question to you regarding the Congress party.
No. This is for NSUI and strike. And I came here to.
Sir, 22 opposition parties likely to meet before the parliament session to convene to choke out the strategy. What kind of strategy opposition party will adopt?
Definitely before the parliament session, usually opposition parties to meet for floor management.